Hello guys. Namaste. Parev, Ndiepi, Sanbonani, Yamor, Huinan. Here we have a Lenovo. Let's see what exactly are we dealing with. They told me that this machine is not turning on at all. So I have to see, connect ground to ground. I'm using a DC bench power supply. Okay, let's connect. All right. Okay, nothing. Checking power from the DC bench power supply. So what you do, you put one probe to ground and you poke around. Okay, the machine is turning on. It's taking 409 milliamps. This machine is working 100%. There is a light there, but why it's not taking 1 amps? Or maybe it's because why it's not taking 1 amp? Maybe it's because there is no string installed. So I'm gonna turn it on with a string installed and the RAMs as well. And the RAM. Can't tell whether this is a low voltage or what. Okay, but let me check. Wait, have the RAMs. Let's see. Yes, I was right. These are low voltage RAMs. Connect one. Let's connect the string. Okay, be careful when you are putting the board on top of the string. Be careful not to stretch the string. So that's why I normally place it like this. And don't move it. Be careful. Otherwise, you'll end up stretching the string. Let's turn the machine on. Take your thing, your multimeter. One probe to ground. On. Okay, yes, it's now turning on. It's taking 800 milliamps, 700 milliamps. We should have a display by now. It's back to 800. Oh, let's see. Can you believe how dumb I am? I didn't connect the string. I'm so dumb. Okay, put it up. Be careful not to stretch the string again. All right. Okay. Oh, there we go. We have a display Lenovo. This machine was working. As you can see, it's working even now. The issue it was the charging port. I believe so. I believe the issue was on the port. Anyway, let's have a look at the port. All right, as I predicted, the port and the cover is broken. See the cover? It's broken. There's the port. Yo. Anyway, I don't think I should do a video doing a charging ports. This is for people. I don't know what to say, but I'm not gonna continue with this video. It's too easy. So I'll just solder this back nicely, and then it's fine. The one I was using is a jack from another laptop. But the original one is this one. So it's very important to do a physical inspection and check your 19 volts. Anyway, this is it. Bye bye.